Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're going to show you our 58 Chevy 3100 truck, short box. Just nice truck. It's one that's been restored a while ago, so it's not a perfect truck. You'll see a few imperfections. Here you got a little paint lifting up here on top of this fender. And then just occasional scratch here and there. Just from somebody enjoying it, going out and having some fun with it. And it's a super nice truck. So yeah, not a perfect truck, but one you can just go out and drive and enjoy. Like I said, just minor things. Interior, I don't see any issues anywhere with the interior. I'd say just doesn't mean nothing. There's your gauges, got the chrome steering column with tilt wheel, stereo system. So everything's really, the doors actually do shut pretty good. So like I said, you'll see a minor scratch here and there just from use. See, they redid the wood when they restored it, showing a little age to it. But very nice truck. Got the blues, just really nice color. Drum brakes in the rear with American Racing wheels, and then 17s, I believe, and then American Racing wheels up front also with disc brakes. So like I said, gonna see an imperfection here and there. We try to be as honest as we can, show you everything we see, so you know exactly what you're getting. But if you're looking for an affordable, this isn't a $100,000 truck, so it's kind of in the affordable range to go out and cruise nights and local car shows and have some fun. So 605-695-7391.